Today we're going over all the seat adjustments you can make on a Jazzy Elite HD or Elite 14 power chair. I'm going to start with the easiest one, and that is the headrest. So to adjust the headrest, you loosen this knob and you put it to whatever position you want, and then you tighten this knob. There's also, if you don't want it sliding down, you can loosen this little set screw here. It's a 4mm Allen, so you can loosen that and set it to whatever position you want so that it'll catch, and then just tighten it back. So that's the headrest adjustment. So the next adjustment we're going to make is we're going to bring the seat up, so you can actually bring the height of the seat up. So if I undo this Velcro on the bottom here, then on the side, then under this piece of plastic, we have 4 bolts. 2 here, and then 2 on this side. This side does not lift up. And these are 14mm bolts, or you could probably get, I'm using a 13mm, that'll also work. So you're going to loosen these 4 bolts. I've already pre-loosened these. I actually had to get a regular wrench in there, and I used a socket on the rest of them. So I've pre-loosened 3 of them, and I'm just going to loosen this one now. Once it's loose, you can then slide your seat up. That's as far as it goes. Once you're there, you're just going to tighten these 4 bolts. But that way you can adjust the height of the seat back. So the next step is to adjust the depth of the seat. And in order to do this, it's easier if we take the seat off. So what I'm going to do is fold the seat down. I've already unplugged the joystick cable, so it's not going to pull. And then from back here, there is a little strap. We're going to pull on that. The seat should lift forward. Then from here, you can lift back and then up. And now we have access to the underside of the seat. So now we're going to adjust the depth of the seat. If I take these straps here, undo the Velcro, and kind of pull this away a little bit, you can see there are 2 bolts here, and then there's 2 on this side as well. I've already pre-loosened most of these, but this is your 13 or 14mm socket set. You're just going to loosen all 4 of them. Like I said, I've pre-loosened most of these. So once they're loose, you can then grab the bottom of your seat and you can bring the depth forward. So this will give you an extra 2 inches in depth if you need it. Once you get it where you want it, you will just tighten these 4 bolts and then strap this back in. So the final adjustment we can make is actually we can adjust the seating position. So these 4 bolts here, again 14mm, or I'm using 13mm, both fit pretty well. I'm going to take these 4 bolts out completely. Once the 4 bolts are out, as you can see, there's actually 4 different positions you can put this in. So it was by default from the factory sitting in the lowest, but if you do need the seat to sit further back, you can put it here, here, or here. But that is how you adjust the seat positioning. And then once you're done, you just put the 4 bolts back in wherever you need them to be. So these have been the seat adjustments you can make on a Jazzy Elite HD or Elite 14 power chair. If you like this video or you have any questions on any products, feel free to reach out and give us a call. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.